What is up, my lovely people? We're here today vlogging because guess what? It's love day. Bars! See, I'm dropping dimes on y'all already. Video hasn't even started yet. Basically, we're going to Walmart. I have a lot of stuff I need to get. YouTube stuff, stuff to make shirts for Free Life, sewing machine because I'm doing sewing class, a lot. So basically, we're going there, and then right after that, getting our nails done because it's love day, by the way. And so me and my mom are doing some stuff together all day. No brothers. So yeah, after this, we're getting our nails done, getting something to eat. Going home to make a college decision board. You'll see clips of that, and then after that we are going to make my room a YouTube studio to make content. And yeah, I feel like God's gonna take this channel somewhere, so hey, do what I gotta do. We'll use all the talents God gave me. But yeah, it's gonna be fun and exciting, and yeah. So I'm gonna go, we're at Walmart now. I'm going into the store, and then I'll come back out and show y'all everything that I got. Okay, mom's picking up a cart right now. There's plenty to choose from. I'm going this. Oh, there we go. Got a nice roller here. We're at Walmart currently, and we're here to get some stuff. So we're going to the Arts Center. Got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. All right, and we're back. Just got back in the car. My mom, she did something with ink. I guess she got the wrong type of ink, so now she's going back in there to get the right ink, and she's coming back to the car. Then after that, we're getting our nails done, or I might get something to eat. I'm not sure, but I found some really dope stuff in there. I found some vlogging stuff. I got a ring light, another one. So yeah, I'm really excited. Shout out to my shirt because I just think it's super dope. But yeah, and while I'm here, shout out to Plushes. Shout out to Miss Marquita. She sells really dope bags. I had a 3-set. I had a big bag. I didn't bring it, but then I had this wallet, and then I had this little purse to go with it. Y'all need to go hop on that. I'm gonna put her Instagram in the description. And y'all need to go buy her bags for real. Like, it's dope. And then this one has my name all over it. Yes, my name is Love. That's my real name. Like, it's on my birth certificate. So like, every time I tell somebody my name, they be like, that's not your real. Yes, that's my real name on my birth certificate. Yes. But yeah, y'all need to hop on the bags. All right. But yeah, nail shop is next. Got our nails done. Yeah,
I did a color other than neon,
so
even though I'm gonna do neon the next time.
Well, at least we both tried something different, because I would have did a real color and not just white. What's up, Vaughn? We're at not Chinese, we're at Chick-fil-A now. It's currently 1:09, as you can see. And yeah, after we get our food, we're going to Hobby Lobby. No, actually, Mom's gonna get her nails redone because she didn't like them. And then after that, we're going to Hobby Lobby to get vinyl for the shirts. Then after that, we're going home to start on the projects. Boy, that was good. Okay, we're at Hobby Lobby. I know, we're at Michael's because it was closer. Now it begins. We have vinyl. We're finna cut vinyl for the shirts. We're finna get stuff ready for college. We're finna set up my YouTube studio. I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff I got for YouTube. It's finna go down, okay? It is finna to go down. So we're about to start cutting right now. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let me just show you how this works. So Mom is peeling. This is the process. So she peels off the little. Excuse me.
That's so gross. Nobody's gonna want to watch the vlog.
No, they gonna watch.
Burping all in.
This is the real. This is unedited.
I don't want to hear that.
She's doing that, and then this is all the pieces, right? And so when it's done, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, all right? And so what you do is you lay that down like so on your shirt, wherever you want to lay it down. And then you just take this, and it's gonna be going for 30 seconds. Once it beeps like so, let it up, and it should be done, and then you just lift slowly. Now it's on the shirt. All right, vlog. It's been 5. It's been 5 hours. It's been 5 hours, and we finally finished all the shirts. 26 shirts.
Yeah.
26 shirts.
Sounds about right.
Bought the vinyl, bought the shirts, cut them all individually, printed all of them individually. We are now done.
Let's do it.
Now we're about to go eat Chipotle. So. All right, so Mom just joined the cleaning and the studio process. Why are you looking like that?
I'm waiting on direction.
So basically what we're doing, you can see the floor now, so that's good. And so, why are you looking like that?
I'm waiting for and there's my knot on my watch right there.
Oh yeah, I found it.
It's a long way from there to there.
See how Dad knocks?
He did not.
It was just the door was all the way open. Can you I'm literally cleaning it. I'm literally cleaning it right now. Move that there. We're gonna move the TV on top of that, and then all we have to do after that is stack those things up right here, like upward, and then move that, and then that's it.
Yeah. I'll see you later.
I'm tired, folks. It's been a long day. All right, guys. So it's been a successful day. Definitely need to clean that side. This is my studio side. This is my beauty side. This wall, all of this is gonna be my YouTube creator content side. My bed is here. Still have enough space to, you know, boom. Still have enough space to, you know, boom. Gotta clean my closet. And then this is, yeah, still got a lot to go. But I got most of the moving stuff out the way, so that's good. It is like 11. So I think I'm gonna still move some stuff because I still got some energy. And I need to get ready for church tomorrow, so. What is up, vlog? I finally have my floor cleaned and vacuumed. Let me just give you a quick summary of how my room looks. So basically, here's the door. Mirror. Of course, I still have to clean the table, so don't even say nothing. My bed, boom. My music studio, my beauty studio, my hair basket. That's gonna be cleared off. I gotta organize all these shelves because there's a bunch of random stuff in there, and I still need to fit that in there. And I have some more of these in my closet. Closet's not even close to being done, but that wasn't really the focus. But this was the main focus, to get this area clean. I have a clean wall, no holes or nothing, you know. That wall has holes in it and stuff. So I scooted that over, as you can see. Scooted this over, so now I have space to plug stuff up. So now, here's my ring light. I'm gonna be creating content here. And here are some things I have. These are lights. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet, but I got 2 packs of lights. They're 3 by 1 meter. This is another mini ring light if I want to add color, because this is just white. I want to add color here, and then this, because there's supposed to be like a holder to hold my phone up there, and it broke, so I had this to hold my phone. What else? Is there anything else special? Nope, just that. Oh wait, there's 2 lights? Oh. No, I think it's only 1 light, but here's all the colors you can do: red, green, cobalt, lemon, magenta, blue, white, natural, warm, transitions. You can do different colors. So yeah. And it has all this other stuff. This is all the stuff we got from Walmart. This here is my vlogging kit. This was only $30. Comes with the holder, the light, the microphone, and the clicker. Turn it around. All these different, it says all the stuff. I'm not gonna read it, but all the stuff that, you know, is in the boxes right here. What's in the box: light, cable, adapter, clip, tripod, all this. Yeah. So this is my on the go vlogging kit, and then this is just another tripod that I can use to go around and hold the camera up. So I want so you can see my face and both my hands. I can use it as a tripod for a camera and to hold around too. Yes. All right. And I just realized, like, these two are the same things, but I could hold it, and then I could have something else recording me. Yes. Okay. So yeah. All right. So this is everything that I have for, you know, that I got new. That is a black light right there. This is my ring light, and then this is my space. So I'm just gonna create, decorate, and it's gonna be dope. So yeah. Let's take some All right, so hello everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. It's me and Mom back at it again, and I am back from sewing class. These are my patterns. So now we're gonna be setting up the YouTube station. Ouch!
Well, that's a nice vlog.
That hurt.
All right, take that out of there because it's gonna snap and hit you in the face.
Oh, the clicker works. I just tested it out. I'm gonna put this on my keys. Get straight. Oh, that hurt. No!
It broke.
All the little things. What is this? Oh! All right, the YouTube studio is finally complete.
I worked so hard.
Yeah. So we have my ring lights, the thing that holds my phone here. I have a mic here. I had to use my suitcase to hold this because, you know, I barely use the suitcase anyway, so it's fine. I have my lights here that make, yes, I need a new one. Boom. I have a black light down there, and it just looks super cool. I can get a whole bunch of girls back here and then just jump around, and they think I'm at a party. And I think I'm in the corner of my room.
You may not need no though.
Yeah, I think it's dope like that.
You don't need no background, no paint, no nothing. All you need is lights.
Yeah.
And then you can turn them off and on, create moods.
Well, thank you for joining me on my Love Day vlog. Me and Mom are out.
I'm definitely out.
Yeah. All right.
Since I work so hard.
Right. Bro, that bird came straight to the window.
Why you scream like that?
Right, so,
How you gonna start your day? Screaming after a bird?
bro, and then you should see me walking towards the car. I had to speed up because all these birds kept. What's up, my vloggers? How are you? Thank you for watching the video. You watched it all the way through. I know you did. Thank you so much. Since you liked it so much, can you like, comment, subscribe? Because that would really help my channel. Trying to grow, trying to get to more people. So, you know, share it and let them know this is the place to be. For more vlogs, for more, you know, videos, you know, hit that subscribe button. All the things I told you was going to be in the description will be in the description. So go look at it right now and say what's up to me in the comments. All right, I'll see y'all next video.